In any triangle ABC, prove that A sine B of minus C plus B sine C minus A plus C sine of A minus B equal to 0. Now A sine B minus C plus B sine C minus A plus C sine A minus B can be written as K into sine A, because you know the sine rule, A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C is equal to some constant. So K into sine A into sine of B minus C plus similarly B, K into sine B into sine C minus A, similarly C, K sine C sine of A minus B. Now open the bracket, sine of B minus C can be written as K into sine A, sine B cos C minus cos B sine C, bracket closed, plus K sine B sine of C minus A can be written as sine C cos A minus cos C sine A. Again K sine C plus sine of A minus B can be written as sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Now multiply one by one to all the three terms. So K sine A into sine B cos C minus K sine A into cos B sine C plus K sine B into sine C cos A, this one, plus K sine B plus minus K sine B into cos C sine A. Now K sine C into sine A cos B, third term we are expanding, plus minus K sine C into cos A sine B. So you will see the similar terms will get cancelled. K sine A sine B cos C. So K sine A, you just find out, this is your K sine sine B cos C. So this and this will cancel, minus K sine A cos B sine C. So minus K sine A, find out, this is minus K sine A sine C cos B, cancelled, and similarly this and this will cancel, so 0. Okay, next find the value of root 3 equals sec 20 degree minus sec 20 degree. Here we will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So multiply by 2, root 3 upon 2 here come, cosec 20 degree minus 1 by 2 sec 20 degree. Root 3 by 2 can be written as cos 30, cosec 20 degree minus sine 30, this half, and sec 20 degree, twice will be there. Now this is cos 30 degree upon sine 20 degree minus sine 30 degree upon cos 20 degree, because sec is cos, cosec is sine. Take the LCM, sine 20 degree cos 20 degree, this will give you cos 30 degree cos 20 degree, this will give you sine 30 degree into sine 20 degree. So this again one formula, cos A cos B minus sine C sine A sine B, so cos of A plus B. So cos 30 degree plus 20 degree is cos 50 degree upon sine 20 degree into cos 20 degree. Here we multiply by 2, so here also multiply by 2, so 4 cos 50 degree upon, this is twice of sine 20 cos 20, so sine 40 degree. Now 4 of cos 90 degree minus 40 degree, because 50 can be written as, so this cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, so sine 40 degree, so sine 40 degree cancelled, so 4. In this way the value of the given expression is 4. Now come to the next question. Find the value of the below expression, cos square pi by 8 cos power 4, pi by 8 cos power 4, 3 pi by 8 cos power 4, 5 pi 8 plus cos 4, 7 pi by 8 cos 4 pi by 8 plus cos 4, 3 pi by 8 plus cos 4, 5 pi by 8 plus cos 4, 7 pi by 8. Now this cos 4 pi by 8 plus cos 4, 3 pi by 8 plus cos 4, 5 pi can be written as 8 pi minus 3 pi, and the 7 pi can be written as 8 pi minus pi. So this will give you cos 4 pi minus 3 pi by 8, this will give you pi minus pi by 8. So you can change the expression, these two will remain same. Cos pi minus 3 pi by 8 means second quadrant cos is negative because sine is positive, all sine tan cos. So cos pi minus theta will be minus cos 3 pi by 8. As it is a multiple of pi, so no change in cos value, cos will remain as cos. Okay, minus cos 3 pi by 8 power 4. Again here pi minus pi by 8 is second quadrant, no change, minus sign, so minus cos pi by 8 power 4. Now minus power 4 is plus, minus power 4 is plus. So again your expression will come like this: cos 4 pi by 8 plus cos 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos 4 3 pi by 8 plus cos 4 pi by 8. So similar terms added, twice of cos 4 pi by 8 plus cos 4 3 pi by 8. Now this is your a square plus b square formula. So a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square minus twice of a and b. So here cos square pi by 8 plus cos square 3 pi by 8 whole square minus 2 cos square pi by 8 to cos square 3 pi by 8. Okay. Now this one, this 3 pi by 8 can be written as 4 pi minus pi upon 8. Here also 3 pi by can be written as 4 pi minus pi. So next step, twice of cos square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 2 minus pi by 8. Here also minus twice of cos square pi by 8 cos square pi by 2 minus pi by 8. So cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. So your expression will be twice of cos square pi by 8 plus sin square pi by 8 whole square minus twice of cos square pi by 8 into sin square pi by 8. So this is cos square theta plus sin square theta. So 1 square, that is 1. And this is your twice of cos square pi by 8. So twice of cos square pi by 8. Sin square pi by 8. Sin square pi by 8. This twice can be changed to 4 about 2. So this will give you formula 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. So you can write twice of 1 minus 1 by 2, and this is sin 2 into pi by 8 whole square because sin 2 theta. So 2 4 just sin pi by 4 whole square. Sin pi by 4 you know 1 upon root 2. So twice of 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 upon root 2 whole square. This will give you 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. So 1 by 4, that is 4 minus 1 3 by 4. So 2 into 3 by 4, so 3 by 2 answer. Come to the next. This will be a simpler problem. Tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. So simply expand this. Tan 3x is tan 2x plus x. So formula is tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x into tan 2x. This is your tan 3x expression. Multiply and simplify, you will get this. Okay. So there is no problem in that. Now come to this. Prove that cos square x plus cos square x plus pi by 3 cos square x minus pi by 3 equal to 3 by 2. So we will take these two terms together and we will simplify this. Cos square x plus, this will give you a square plus b square. So a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this is this expression. Now a plus b. So simplify it. This is your cos square x plus cos of x plus pi by 3 plus cos of x minus pi by 3 whole square minus twice of cos of x plus pi by 3 cos of x minus pi by 3. So this expression can be written as twice of cos a cos b. So cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So x plus pi by 3 minus x plus pi by 3. Okay. There is no problem in x a plus b, x plus pi by 3 plus x minus pi by 3. Now x and x will be added, pi by 3 cancelled. Here x and x cancelled, pi by 3 added. And this cos c plus cos d can be written as twice of cos c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2 whole square, and minus cos 2x plus cos 2 pi by 3. So we will simplify this one again. So twice of cos 2x upon 2, this will give you cos of 2 pi by 3 upon 2, and this is cos 2x plus cos 2 pi by 3 can be pi minus pi by 3. So cos square x plus, this is your twice of cos x cos pi by 3, 2 cancelled. Cos 2x and pi by 3 minus pi by 3 is minus cos pi by 3. Okay, because it is second quadrant, cos no change, that is multiple of pi. So cos will remain cos, second quadrant minus sign, so minus cos pi by 3. Now open the brackets. Cos square x plus twice of cos x cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So 2 cancelled, and this is open the bracket minus cos 2x plus cos pi by 3. So cos square x plus cos square x minus cos 2x plus half. This twice of cos square x plus, so twice cos square x minus cos 2x plus half. 2 cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x minus cos 2x plus half. These two cancel, so 3 by 2. Now next question. Find the value of cos 570 degrees sine 300, 510 degrees sine minus 330 degree cos minus 390 degree. So write the given expression. Now 570 degree can be written as 540 degree plus 30 degree sine 510 540 degree minus 30 degree sine minus 330 sine 30 minus 360 degree cos minus 390 cos minus 30 minus 360 degree. So this 540 is 3 pi plus 30 sine 540 minus 30 is 3 pi minus 30 degree sine of, take minus sign common, so minus 360 degree minus 30 degree. Here also minus common, cos minus 360 degree plus 30 degree. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta and cos of minus theta is cos theta. So next time we will do that. This cos 3 pi plus 30 will be minus cos 30, all sine tan cos rule. 3 pi means third quadrant, so cos will be negative and as it is multiple of pi, so no change in cos, so cos, so minus cos 30 degree. Same reason, sine 3 pi minus 30, 3 pi minus 30 will second quadrant, so sine 30 degree and sine value no change because multiple of pi, so all sine tan cos we are using. Here sine of minus theta is minus sine 2 pi minus 30 degree, cos of minus theta is plus cos of 2 pi plus 30 degree. Again 2 pi minus 30 degree is fourth quadrant, so sign change and it is multiple of pi, so sign will not change, sign will remain same, sign, the ratio will not change, so minus sine 30 degree. Cos 2 pi plus 30 first quadrant, so positive, so cos 30 and 2 pi cos will ratio will not change because multiple of pi, all sine tan cos rule we are using. Now you can see this is minus minus plus and this is sine 30 cos 30, this is minus cos 30 sine 30, so gets cancelled, so 0 is the answer. Now come to this. Find the general solution of the following equation. Cot square theta plus 3 upon sine theta plus 3 equal to 0. Now cot square theta plus 3 upon sine theta plus 3 equal to 0 can be written as cos square theta upon sine square theta and 3 upon sine theta plus 3 equal to 0. Take the LCM. So cos square theta plus 3 sine theta plus 3 sine square theta equal to 0. So next time cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta plus 3 sine theta plus 3 sine square theta equal to 0. Cross multiply. This will give you 3 sine square theta minus sine square theta, 2 sine square theta plus 3 sine theta plus 1 equal to 0. Middle term factorization. So you will see that 2 sine theta common, sine theta plus 1. Here 1 common, sine theta plus 1. So sine theta plus 1 and 2 sine theta plus 1. Sine theta is minus half, sine theta is minus 1. So 1 by 2 without sine, what is? Sine 30 degree means pi by 6 and 1 without sine, pi by 2. So general solution, all the sine theta should either fall in third quadrant or the fourth quadrant, then only my negative value will happen. So for that general solution, you know the formula that n pi minus minus 1 power n into theta. So for minus half, theta is pi by 6 and for minus 1, theta is pi by 2. So general solution will be like this. This you can also verify like that. If you take 2, n is even, so 2 pi minus minus 1 power 2 pi by 6. So this will be positive and this minus. So 2 pi minus pi by 6. 2 pi minus pi by 6 is lying in fourth quadrant. So negative value for pi by 6. So sine pi by 6 is minus half. No problem. Here also, if you take the odd number, 3 pi minus minus 1 power 3 pi by 6. So minus 1 power 3 is minus 1, minus minus plus. So 3 pi plus pi by 6. 3 pi plus pi by 6 lying in third quadrant. So you are getting the negative value. So for that reason, this is the standard formula for the general solution. N pi minus minus 1 power n into theta. So this is the explanation. Now come to the next question. Last but not the least, sec 8 theta minus 1 upon sec 4 theta minus 1 equal to tan 8 theta upon tan 2 theta. So sec 8 theta minus 1 upon sec 4 theta minus 1 can be written as 1 upon cos 8 theta minus 1 upon 1 upon cos 4 theta minus 1. Now simplify it. So 1 minus cos 8 theta upon cos 8 theta into this cos 4 theta will go to the upper side, numerator side, and 1 minus cos 4 theta will come to the denominator side. Now in this time 1 minus cos 2 theta you will break. So 1 minus cos 2 into 4 theta means 2 sine square 4 theta. You will get this also 1 minus cos 2 into 2 theta. So 2 sine square 2 theta. Okay. Now 2 sine 4 theta and cos 4 theta we make it together. 1 sine 4 theta will come here. Here cos 8 theta. So and this 2 cos 8 theta into sine square 2 theta. Now this expression will give you sine 8 theta. This is 2 cos 8 theta. This is sine 4 theta 1 sine square 2 theta. Now this sine 4 theta can be written as 2 sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta, and sine 8 theta upon cos 8 theta tan 8 theta upon 2, and this is 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta upon sine square 2 theta. Sin 2 theta 1 sine 2 theta cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. So tan 8 theta and cos 2 theta upon sine 2 theta. So cos 2 theta upon sine 2 theta is nothing but 1 upon tan 2 theta. So tan 8 theta upon tan 2 theta.